Reflection of light at curved surfaces, class 10 physical science. Today we are going to discuss about some problems on curved mirrors. Here given a question, a convex mirror with a radius of curvature of 3 meters is used as a rear view mirror for a vehicle. If a bus is located at 5 meters from the mirror, find the position, nature and size of the image. This is the question. We already know convex mirrors used in vehicles. Anyhow, here given center of curvature and object distance is given. First you start with convex mirror. This is my curved surface, curved inwards, is coated with some silver. It acts as a convex mirror. This is my P pole. This is my center of curvature. Suppose CP is equals to radius of curvature, simply called it as PC. Pole from the center, distance from pole from the center is radius of curvature, that is R is equals to 2 times F, everybody knows. This is my focal point, it lies between C and F. C and P, P always a midpoint between C and P. They C and P, F is a midpoint of C and P, therefore PF is always equal to 2 times PC. Okay, everything clear? And here given center of curvature is given 3 meters. So that is equals to 3 meters. Therefore F is equals to 3 by 2 meters. Am I clear? Center of curvature is nothing but R is equal to 3 meter. R also can written as 2 times focal length because F is a midpoint. Okay, clear? Then F is equals to 3 by 2. And an object in front of a convex mirror with a distance 5 meters, that is given. See here. If a bus is located at 5 meters from this mirror, find the position, nature and size of the image. We have to find position, nature and size of the image. Okay. So this is object distance, we know it. U is equals to, this is A, some B, this is my bus. That is given by 5 meters. We have mirror equation. 1 by F is equals to 1 by U plus 1 by V. This is the mirror equation. But we need sign conventions. This is very, very important here to solve this problem. To understand image and nature and size of the image. Now, my incident ray in this direction, I would like to measure the object, pole to object. Incident ray is going in this direction, we are measuring opposite direction, therefore my U is equals to minus 5 meter. This is called sign conventions. I told you clearly, all distance should be measured from the pole. That's the reason I started from here and here going to this side. But my incident ray in the opposite direction. That's the reason I got U is equals to minus 5. Now coming to the next point. So we are F is measuring from pole to focus. This is both are in same direction. So F is always positive because pole to F is direction is equal to the direction of incident. So here plus 3 by 2. Now I am going to find what is V. V means object distance. 1 by F is 3 by 2 is equals to 1 by my U value is minus 5. I would like to write like this, plus 1 by V. I would like to use as it is V. V is nothing but object distance. Its reciprocal multiplied by this, everybody knows. I would like to write it down once here to understand. 1 by 3 by 2. It's reciprocal. That means 2 by 3 is multiplied by 1. That is nothing but 2 by 3. This is minus. We'll go this side, plus 1 by 5. That is equals to 1 by V. LCM is 50. 3 how many times?
5.
5 times 5 2s are 10, plus 5 how many times? 3 times
3.
3 1 ya 3 is equals to 1 by V. 13 by 15. Can I write 15 by 13 when we take V is equals to? Because it's reciprocal. I would like to write one second. 1 by V is equals to 13 by 15. Take its inverse. V is equals to,
15
by inverse tendo we get 15 by 30. So we have to divide this one to get the image distance. 15 is divided with 13. 1 time 13. How much you will get? 2. Okay, keep it point and keep 0 here. 1 ja 13, we get 7. Okay, again keep 0. 5 is 65. Suppose I like this because it is non-terminating, repeating this one. It will be repeat somewhere. I would like to take nearest value. Approximate value is 1 meters. So my object distance is 1.15 meters. So by observing my image is in a convex mirror, but it is virtual. We cannot catch by the screen. Actually, this is 1.5 meter. It is 5 meters from the convex mirror, but it appears how much distance? 1.15 meter only. Object seems to be nearer to the eyes. Okay, anyhow leave it. And the next one, nature of the image I already explained. We cannot catch virtual and elected. That means it comes like this only. Like this.